Top story tonight. Does President Trump have the right to deploy the National Guard to the streets of Los Angeles? That was the question before the judges on the Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals today.
A lower court ruled the president did not meet the standards to deploy the Guard, but the Trump administration quickly appealed. Now the decision is in the hands of a three-judge panel. KRON 4's Dan Kerman is live in the newsroom. He's been following this. Good afternoon, Dan.
Good afternoon. Today's hearing lasted for just over an hour, and the three-judge panel has indicated it will likely issue a decision quickly, possibly before the end of the week.
The United States Court of Appeals for the Ninth Circuit is now in session.
Attorneys for California Governor Gavin Newsom and President Donald Trump argued before a three-judge panel of the Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals Tuesday as to whether the president has the legal authority to deploy the California National Guard to the streets of Los Angeles.
Civil unrest is targeting federal law enforcement officials and designed and aimed to prevent them from carrying out their duties. The court should at least defer to the president's judgment under prong 3.
The attorney for the Trump administration argued not only does the order meet the statutory requirements, but the judicial branch has no legal authority to review such a decision by the president.
No, there's no rule for the court to play in reviewing that decision.
It's a problem because it sets a precedent for this president and future presidents to take similar actions going forward.
The attorney for the governor argued despite protests, ICE is able to carry out its duties, meaning the president doesn't meet the requirements for deploying the National Guard.
Every day that this order remains in effect, it is causing harm to our nation's broader democratic tradition of separation of the military from civilian affairs. And that is not just a problem for the 60-day presumptive deployment here.
For just over an hour, the three-judge panel questioned the attorneys and evaluated the arguments.
It's not clear where the panel's going to go, but the two Trump-appointed judges seem to be inclined to not support what the district court judge had ordered, which would mean they would rule in favor of Trump's order.
Rory Little is a constitutional law professor at UC Law San Francisco.
Simply affirming the Trump order at this point is going to suggest that it's not going to be so rare and that the president can call out the National Guard almost whenever he wants. That's a very dangerous position, and one would hope that the Ninth Circuit won't say that.
Whatever the ruling is, it will likely be appealed to the U.S. Supreme Court, who can choose to hear it or not. But again, this is just about whether there can be a temporary hold on the deployment of the Guard. The lower court will still eventually hold a full-blown hearing where evidence will be presented on both sides, and whatever that final ruling is will also likely go through the appeals process. In the meantime, the Guard remains on the ground in Los Angeles. Live in the newsroom, Dan Kerman, KRON 4 News.
All right, Dan, thank you for that.